Hi friends, this is your A. sir. A new lesson for General English. Pick out the best filler which can complete the given sentence correctly. So see, where are you? Dash up the tree. There are four options. First option, here I am. B, here am I. There I am. D, there am I. Your answer will be here I am. అంటే సుసి ఎక్కడున్నావు అంటే నేను ఇక్కడున్నాను. ఇక్కడ మీన్స్ హియర్. హియర్ ఐ ఆమ్. Now let us see the second sentence. I don't know the time dash. Four options are given. First option, at which the accident happened. Second option, the accident happened. Third action, when the accident happened. Fourth option, when the accident had happened. Your answer will be the accident happened because already the time is given. When means the time. So because in the given sentence already the time is given, you should not write the sentences with when. So the answer will be I don't know the time the accident happened. Now next sentence. How much a man earns is as important as dash. Here five options are given. First option, when does he do so? Second option, how does he do it? Third option, where does he earn? Fourth option, when does he earn of all? Fifth option, how well he spends it. So here you have two sentences started with when and eppudu. So here your sentence should not start with when. Where, ekkada. There the ekkada అని కూడా రాకూడదు. ఎలాగా ఆర్జిస్తాడో, ఎటువంటి పనులు చేసి ఆర్జిస్తాడో అది కూడా తెలుసుకోవాలి. ఎటువంటి, that means how. So your sentence starts with how. So now two sentences are there with how. How does he do it? How well he spends it. మనం ఏంటి తెలుసుకోవాలి? ఎటువంటి పరిస్థితుల్లో ఆర్జించాడో తెలుసుకోవాలి. అంతేగాని దొంగతనం చేసి ఆర్జించాడా లేకపోతే మంచి పని చేసి ఆర్జించాడా అది తెలుసుకోవాలి. అంతేగాని ఎంత బాగా ఖర్చు పెట్టాడో మనం తెలుసుకోకూడదు. So your option will be B. How much a man earns is as important as how does he do it. Now next question. One of you must help me dash. Four options are given. First, shan't you? Second, wouldn't you? Third, won't you? Fourth, mustn't you? So here it is very clear, you have to fill that blank with a question tag. Question tag means you have to see the helping verb that is present in the given sentence. In the given sentence you have must. Given sentence is positive, so you have to add int. Mustn't. What is the pronoun there? You. So your answer will be mustn't you. Your answer is D. One of you must help me. Mustn't you? Now next sentence. He is so lazy that he dash. You have 5 options. Always remember the structure, so that not. Now let us read the 5 options. Always extends help to others to complete their work. He is lazy. How can he help others? So A is not the answer. Dislikes to postpone the work that he undertakes to do. He is lazy. How can he dislike to postpone? So B is not the answer. Can seldom complete his work on time. You see what is the structure I told you, so that not. So here you do not have not, but let us read the sentence. Can seldom complete his work on time. Seldom is a negative word. That means cannot complete his work on time. A lazy person always cannot complete his work on time. So in place of not, seldom is given. So C is your answer. So let us see the other sentence also. Can't delay the schedule of completing the work. How can't he delay? Because he is lazy. He never starts the work. Last option, can't depend on others for getting his work done. Arey bhaiya, he is a lazy fellow. He never starts the work. And how can they stop depending on others to get the work done? So your C is the answer. He is so lazy that he can seldom complete his work on time.